Welcome in to the Garden Germinators giveaway. This happens on the first Wednesday of every month throughout the year. This is not necessarily something specifically for you. Maybe it's for a family member, maybe for a friend, maybe for a neighbour down the road, or maybe even something to spruce up a little bit of a community area where it's just plain mud and needs something to look nice. Either way, I'm going to pick two winners. So in the description down below is the list of all the seeds that you can choose from. It starts today and ends on the 17th. So 2 weeks. Today is the 3rd. 17th I will pick the two winners. One winner will be America only. You must put in your comment group A if you want those seeds. Anywhere else in the world you will be group B, purely because group A is coming from a donator. Group B is coming from me. Now the donator has left lettuce, sorrel, corn and kale. You will get all four if you want them, but you must have group A in your comment. You cannot pick a couple from group A and a couple from group B. That's not how this works. Sorry. But from me, I also need the 3 seeds. Well, you won't get 3 seeds, you'll get more than 3 seeds, but I need the 3 seed types from you and group B in your comment. So from group B, doesn't matter where on earth you are, if you're America, if you're Australia, if you're Zimbabwe, that could be difficult, but still, I will send anywhere in the world if you want these ones. The majority are from my garden, my personal harvests, bar a couple of packets, and that is it. So if you want any of the following, you need to put group B and then your choice of 3 seed types. And you can pick from Cerinthe Major, blue fescue grass, are you okay? You wanting to, okay, go on then. Sorry. Scilla Caribbean jewels. Give me a second. Sorry, I had to sort out the bean. Apologies. Okay. Little gem lettuce, giant pink poppy, giant red poppy, giant purple poppy, giant poppy mix, white foxglove, cornflower black ball, Limonnium Statice blue, morning glory OTT, morning glory heavenly blue, Russian giant sunflower, Chinese lanterns, sweet pea, and I can't remember which variety they are. I think they're royal blue. Cornflower blue boy, purple and white cabbage tulip, hibiscus bluebird, borrage, echinum, bluebedder, radish French breakfast, nemesia bicolour, Swansdown, lavender coconut ice, lavender mystery, Veronica speedwell royal blue, single sweet William, Nigella midnight, deep red sweet William, Lupin the Govenor, Amaranthus Love-Lies-Bleeding, pink foxglove, Basil, Wisteria I don't think I have, though I might do, possibly. Black Tavva Chantrieri, I can't even pronounce it. Have a look in the description below. It's second to last. And Aquilegia Guinness. This is sponsored by both myself and the American donator. Thank you, Beanie. Cheers. Not by anybody else. Nobody else has bought these seeds. They're not coming from anywhere else. But you must have in the comments, please, please, simple, nice, respectful, please, plus the group that you would like your seeds from. Like I said, it starts now. It's the 3rd of November today, and this is going to the, I've forgotten again, 17th. Oops. And it will be 2 winners that I pick. If you don't win, there's another chance in December, but this is for November's giveaway. Like I said, it's open internationally, depending on which group you're taking from. I'm sure I'm missing something. Oh yes, you must be a subscriber. This is for subscribers. This is giving back to you guys a little bit. If you don't put group A or group B, your choice, if you don't put the word, if you don't say the 3 seeds, if you're choosing group B, that you want, then sorry, I can't enter you. If you're not subscribed publicly, I'm sorry, I can't enter you. If you, excuse me, if you leave a comment down below and I reply without the good luck and the 4-leaf clover, you haven't entered. But I'm not going to tell you what you've done wrong. You've got to go and have a look. If you're unsure whether you are publicly subscribed or not, please ask. I will let you know, and we can get that sorted for you. But this is Garden Germinators giveaway. Leave your comment down below, and hopefully we'll get you some love, whether that be for you or whether that be for somebody else. Enjoy, take care, see you soon.